Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import Figma files in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you need to bring in design files from other projects or collaborate with team members who've shared their work with you. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Figma application. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find your project organization. Look for the section labeled Drafts, and you'll notice a small plus icon sitting right beside it. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This is your starting point for bringing new files into your workspace. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a menu appear with several options. From this menu, click on Import. This option is specifically designed to help you bring external Figma files into your current workspace, making it easy to consolidate your designs or work with files created by others. Next, you'll be presented with different import sources. For this tutorial, click on Import from Computer. This allows you to browse through your local files and select the Figma file you want to bring into your workspace. It's the most straightforward way to access files that you've downloaded or received from collaborators. A file browser window will now pop up on your screen. Navigate through your folders and select the file you want to import. Make sure you're choosing the correct Figma file, as this is the one that will be added to your workspace. Once you've located and highlighted the file, confirm your selection. Now you'll need to wait until the import process is complete. Depending on the size of your file and the complexity of the designs within it, this might take a few moments. During this time, Figma is processing all the layers, components, and assets from your file to ensure everything transfers correctly. Just be patient and let the application do its work. Once the import is finished, you'll see a confirmation that the process is complete. At this point, click Done to finalize the import. And that's it. Your Figma file is now successfully imported and ready to use in your workspace. You can now access all the designs, components, and assets from that file just as if you had created it directly in your current project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.